Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and my brother Eli are doing a little hot tent camping at about 8,500 feet and doing some fishing, cooking some good food. It's a good camping video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Just picked up Eli and now we gotta head to the grocery store, get some stuff for dinner. Then we got like a 2-hour, 10-ish minute drive to the lake. Amp. Okay. Pulling in around back. It is 34 degrees out. Looking a little chilly. Alright, to the cold. But it's actually not bad. I think in a coat and stuff would be good.
This is amazing right here. I'm gonna go take
That's some fresh air. So I think the plan is we're gonna set up the tent right in this dry spot. Tent. There it is. Home sweet home for the night. Take a look inside.
Hello there. Hi, sweetheart.
I need to cut a hole in this for our stove. So the stove is gonna go right there. Get a cot right here, cot right there. Should be good. Opted just to shovel snow onto those parts. So I'm gonna do that. Now it's time to get the cot set up and the stove going, throw the firewood in there.
You want right or left side?
I will. Plenty of fuel. I'm gonna bring you guys in here to set up the stove. So the cool part about the stove is everything stores inside it. This tent is so much bigger than the other one. The other one I couldn't even stand it.
I was looking at your video and I was like, you look like you're crouched over the whole
It
time.
sucked, the last one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down in the description below. My first time hot tent camping. We're gonna position it right above the stove jack. Just to do an elbow out. Okay. Straight one. Now we cut an X.
Oh. I know you're supposed to do it, but it sounds so wrong.
Feels like a crime. So this is like fireproof silicone.
Yeah, that'll do.
Eli will be right here. I'll be right there. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating a lot. I'm not even cold anymore.
These mountains are sweet.
It's so cool up here. Maybe I'll fly the drone real quick, just so you guys can get a whole view of the area. So without further ado, let's cut to a cinematic montage. Yes. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that. We're gonna land these and then throw the bedding in the tent and then go fishing real quick. So let's do that. Wind has kicked up a little bit. Go down, see if we can't catch a fish real quick. It's like full-blown winter out here. Let's get a few casts in. Oh my gosh, one chased it all the way to the shore. I'm gonna go down the beach a tiny bit from you. Last time I was up here, I was using these, slaying them. They're like synthetic worms, so I'm gonna tie a hook on and some sinkers and try those out. Threw a bobber on there. I've been getting quite a few bites. I just haven't been able to land one. The guy's starting to light up though. It looks pretty cool. There we go. He's a little one, but he's on. Look at that. Little rainbow trout. Hooked him in the top lip. Such a... Oh. Slippery. Such a pretty fish. All right, I'm gonna get him back in the water. Let's go. Not big enough to eat, but fun to catch. My hands are freezing. I think my brother Matt said he was gonna come up with his girls and hang out for a second. Oh shit, I'm getting a bite. Hold that thought. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. Echo! I know what to do. That's so freaking cool. It's freezing cold. Oh. You know, it's cold, but it sure is pretty. Fire sounds real nice right about now. One thing I like to bring on all hot tent camps is this little thermometer combo. This one goes outside, this one stays inside. We can see indoor, outdoor, so see how effective the hot tent is. I'm just gonna put it right there. Man, now that the sun's down, it's getting real freaking cold. Just gonna climb in here, get a fire going, get warm. Get warm in here finally. Sun is officially down. What time is it?
Oh my gosh.
7:27. This is the first time Eli's ever hot tent camped, so.
Yippee!
Okay, it has been like 50 minutes in here now. Fire's actually going. We got 51 in here and delicious 29 outside.
Yum.
How cold do you think it'll get?
Cold.
Yeah. Well, feels good in here.
Say chop wood. They called me. I can't say that.
It is 8:20, and I think it's time we make some...
It's only 8:20?
Yeah. Time to make some dinner. Gotta kill the time somehow.
Pan.
I'm gonna cook it in this pan on the stove.
Oh,
Quick temperature update. It's 59 in here, it's 28 outside.
Glorious.
Muddy boot chicken. Alright, got the butter in the pan. I'm gonna get it melting. It's working.
Oh, wow. Everything in my plate.
I forgot seasoning, I thought. Found a little garlic salt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that smells so freaking good.
Yep.
Okay, we got some Passage to India butter chicken simmer sauce.
Ooh.
All right, we got some sticky rice. Just let it steam for a while. Rice is still kind of frozen. It was sitting on the ground. Well, I think it's getting pretty close to done.
Oh.
Instead of naan, we have pita.
Oh, that thing's cooking fast. Oh. Wow.
Dinner's done. That's pretty good.
That was good.
We're going to eat this and hang out. Catch you guys later.
Luke here at the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and I'm here in the Yupik village of Kotlik. And for the next...
Look at it.
Shit.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. It's 26 degrees outside. We gotta pee one last time. It's about 10:45. Oh my gosh.
Going first.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. We're all tucked into bed. See you in the morning. I lied. Before we go to bed, quick temperature update. 26 outside, 59 in here. So, nice and toasty. Good night. Good morning. We survived the night. Actually fairly warm. Only had to stoke the fire like 6 or 7 times. 30 outside, 39 in here. I think the lowest I got was 24. I looked in the middle of the night.
Oh.
That was around 5 a.m. I'm gonna stay in the sleeping bag while I try and get the fire going. Still coals in there. There we go. I've waited long enough. It's time to pee. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Woo! Hot tents are pretty awesome. Alright, I gotta pee. And we're having a frozen donut pre-breakfast. Cheers. Not as good as last night. Officially decided to brave the weather and go fishing. Got some other people up here. All the puddles are frozen solid. This is the spot. You can see when the sun hits those trees, like all the ice starts falling.
Yeah, it's...
Hey. Oh my gosh, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked on there. Aww. Hey, best one so far. Back to the water with me. Neat. Hey! We're not skunked. That's a good size. Nice. That sun feels so good. You can still kind of see your breath. I've caught one so far this morning. Eli's caught one. Both about the same size. Hopefully now that the sun's up, the fishing will heat up a little bit. The fishing did not heat up, in fact. So we're gonna pack it up and go make breakfast. It's pretty though.
Very.
At least we didn't get skunked. Sausage going in the other one. Hello. Now that the bacon is par cooked, I'm gonna move it over to here. And we're gonna add a bunch of butter to this one. The hash browns. Now I'm just gonna cut up all the bacon. Probably should have done this before, but I never claimed to be smart. Although this is working pretty freaking good. Now that the hash browns are nice and crispy, just gonna pour in some eggs. and let those cook. Then after that, throw some cheese on top, a little avocado salsa, and then the bacon and sausage. Okay, the eggs are mostly cooked. Got a little Colby Jack cheese. Let that melt, transfer. All right, got Herdez avocado. All right, oh my gosh, that's heavy. There you go, hash brown omelet. Much easier to do on like a Blackstone griddle or something like that. So if you got one of those at home, give it a try. We're gonna get properly stuck in. Let's give it a taste. It's kind of like a casserole, I guess. A little bit. Oh, I like the avocado sauce. I know, it's kind of crispy.
Oh,
I'm telling you, when you're freezing cold, food hits way harder. Okay, I think I'm gonna put you guys right here and do a time lapse of taking down camp. And just like that, camp is all packed up and we're ready to hit the road. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.